Today, we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Ultimate Trader Oscillator indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Ultimate Trader Oscillator indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 843 indicators, with 345 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 48 of the winning indicators. 16 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Ultimate Trader Oscillator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I did make a few modifications to this visually just to meet kind of the setup that we had in the original video. In the original testing, this did over 10 trades within the 1 year's time. So we did keep it on the daily time frame, and we kept the stop and the take profit normal as the daily. As far as the changes we made to the indicator itself, so on the default, it looks like this right here. And so in the original testing video, what we did was we turned off the sentiment here. So we just checked that box there. We turned off the UTOSS right here. Turned that off there. And then on the UTOS, the blue we changed to green, and the orange we changed to red. And that gives us this setup right here. And so in the original video, what we were looking for was just simply the color shift in the oscillating line here. And so as the oscillating line was shifting from green to red, for example, that would be a short trade opportunity. When it was shifting from the red to the green, that would be a long trade opportunity. And so, for example, if we look right here, we can see that we are in the green right here, and then right here on that candle, we shift to the red. If we look at the coordinates right here above my mouse, you can see that it does display the color of the line there. And so you can see that we don't actually pick up the red shift until this candle right there. And so you can see that we enter here on the close of this candle, the open of that candle, we get a really nice push to the downside there, about 102 pips altogether. And so that would have been enough to get us to our take profit right there. Then on the other side here, you can see how we stay in that red coloration for a while. And then as we start to pop up over here, right here, again, looking at our coordinates here above my mouse, you can see not there, we're still in the red, but on this one right here, we shift to that green coloration. We get an immediate pullback here with this red candle there. Probably wasn't enough to stop us out. Nope. And then we get a nice push to the upside there, which heads up to about 100 pips altogether in that little move there. And so that one also would have been a winning trade. So you see these two trades right here, both of those would have been winners. And so again, that's how we tested it in the original video. That's how we tested it on this one. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, that way things don't get too long, and we will pick it up when we are at the end of the year to see what it was able to achieve in that advanced testing. All right, so that puts us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here, one of our members, is an amazing Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's doing analysis of the Forex market, marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, kind of channels and different wedge patterns that he sees and is keeping an eye on. Just really, really great information and really great chart analysis that you can learn from. One of our newest admins, Mike from Upright Trading here, does a great job of helping everybody out with indicators. He's got a few different indicators that he has developed himself. Some are free, some are paid, but all of them are really cool, interesting indicators. And he really goes above and beyond to help people out with those indicators and explain how to use them, strategies and different indicators kind of stacked together, as well as constantly updating those indicators and upgrading them in different fashions, adding new things to them, constantly developing those indicators. And so just really, really great stuff. Some of our other members here are also posting some of the trades that they're taking, kind of documenting and journaling their progress into trading. And so all in all, it's just a really great environment where everybody's helping everybody out, everybody's helping everybody grow and become better traders. So highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced test. All right, so we did the 50 trade test like we normally do in the advanced testing. And out of the 50 trades, we got 26 winning trades. We got 24 losing trades. That is going to put us at a 52% win rate. And so this indicator dropped quite a bit. If I remember right, it was somewhere around 70% win rate, somewhere around in that area, if I remember right, in the original testing. And so you can see that it dropped quite a bit here in the advanced testing. I think this indicator would be better off utilized kind of in its default settings. Not necessarily the coloration of the lines that I'd be so concerned about, but utilizing it kind of all together as a system to kind of establish the overall trend direction, and then maybe the short-term trend directional shifts. But nonetheless, we tested it in the regular testing, and now the advanced testing wasn't quite able to hold up. I don't think it's necessarily a bad indicator. Again, I don't think any of the indicators that don't make the cut are necessarily bad indicators. I think they have their place. They can be utilized. Play with them, see around, see what you can get out of them, playing around with them a little bit, and see if it's something that can fit into your trading style and help maybe give you the edge. And so that's it for this one. It is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.